also the only one on this entire line that we pretty well know where it was. The others we know the town it was in, but we don't have an exact location. There was one in Athol, toward the east end of Athol, for you guys that are local, near the Bearsden Woods area. But that's the only one that has even an approximate location. There was one in Brennan, Vermont. There was one right in the middle of Miller's Falls that's probably completely messed up with. And one at what they call Montague Station, which is just north of Montague Saddle, which you don't really see the building, that's all kind of built up. So this is probably the most intact. To the extent it is intact, this is probably the most intact one. That's the most intact one that we can really pinpoint where it was.
In 1841, I put the corduroy breeches on. The corduroy breeches I put on to work upon the railway. Fiddle-me-ordy-ordy-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. Fiddle-me-ordy-ordy-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. In 1842, I moved from Hartlepool to Crewe. Found myself a job to do, working on the railway. Fiddle-me-ordy-ordy-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. Fiddle-me-ordy-ordy-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. In 1843, 'twas then I wed sweet Betty McGee, and a heck of a wife she's been to me while working on the railway. Fiddle-me-ordy-ordy-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. Fiddle-me-ordy-ordy-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. In 1844, I landed on the Liverpool shore. Me belly was empty, me back was sore from working on the railway. Fiddle-me-ordy-ordy-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. Fiddle-me-ordy-ordy-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. In 1845, when David O'Connell was still alive, found myself more dead than alive from working on the railway. Fiddle-me-ordy-ordy-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. Fiddle-me-ordy-ordy-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. In 1846, I changed me trade to carrying bricks. Changed me trade to carrying bricks from working on the railway. Fiddle-me-ordy-ordy-ay, 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 to work upon the railway. Fiddle-me-ordy-ordy-ay, 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 to work upon the railway.
Looks like a chicken.